Okay, all you sauna enthusiasts out there, this is my Keys backyard infrared sauna room. So I got this for, I don't even want to tell you guys, I got this for about $100. It needed a lot of work. I had to sand it completely down inside and out. It was weathered really bad, but as you can tell, it came out really nice. Not a bad deal for $100. But anyway, the problem I was running across is that initially the fan and the stereo and all of those circuits worked. But after a while, I started having problems, like the stereo stopped running. So I had to upgrade the stereo system. And I installed a 12-volt pack that basically plugs into the wall. I have it plugged into a extension cord up at the top back corner of the sauna. And I actually set that up to run the fan and the stereo, because the old power pack right here, the 12-volt converter, just didn't have enough juice. It could power the light, but that's all it would do. So now I run into a problem where the sauna is not turning on at all. It puts power to the keypad, but it's not doing anything as far as turning the sauna on at all. So here lies the problem inside the power pack. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a Alexa enabled sauna. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run a Alexa adapter over here and hook it up to the power cord. And then I'm going to run it over to here where the power comes in. And I'm going to hook up a wireless thermostat switch, which is basically going to be another outlet adapter, something that you would control your fan or your heater with, but it's going to be wireless. So the power adapter is going to be over here. I'm going to have an Alexa adapter coming here so it turns it on. And then I'm going to have the wireless thermostat plug hooked in here. And then I'll have the actual wireless thermostat inside the sauna. And then up here, to make everything work, there's going to be a couple things that I'm going to do. This is where the main power comes in, these two terminals. And these are the relays that I assume are probably shot at this point because nothing's turning on. And that's your keypad cord. And you can tell from a lot of the corrosion that that's probably half the battle. But anyway, this was in some guy's basement when I got it, and it smelled pretty musty. And after I sanded it down, it came out nice. But these control panels definitely had seen better days. So anyway, you have the positive that goes to the heaters, the heater bank there. And then you have the two negative lines that are here on that terminal, and then that terminal right there. So I'm basically just going to jump them over to this bridge circuit here. So then when I plug the sauna in, it's basically going to turn on, but it's going to be a runaway circuit. And what I mean by that is it's just going to heat, and it won't turn off until I put that thermostat plug in. And once I do that, then it'll actually turn on and off and be able to regulate the heating elements that are inside. But anyway, I think that electric thermostat, wireless thermostat, was about $25 on Amazon. I'll put a link at the bottom. And then that's the 12-volt adapter that I'm running the fan and the stereo off of. And then I'm going to actually piggyback the light, which isn't working anymore. I'll piggyback that to that circuit, so that should all be working. But anyway, I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And once I get the wireless thermostat up and running with the Alexa, I will definitely post that. Hope that helps. Thanks. Okay, so part 2 of the sauna repair. So as you can tell, I bypassed all the terminals that were hooked up to the, I guess, the relay board, the control board for the sauna. So I basically have it all hardwired together. So you got your 2 grounds and then you got your 2 positive leads coming in, and then it goes out to all the infrared heating elements. And then back here I basically have a Niskala outlet. I believe that's how you say it. But that comes out and that powers what's left of the board. And you can tell I disconnected all the terminals. I disconnected all the wires on this. So only thing that I'm really using it for is the bridge. So I just temporarily wired it, so I wanted to make sure that everything worked. And then I'll basically trim this down and remove the control board, because that's basically garbage at this point. But that is the power that's coming up from the outlet. And then, like I said, that is the, I believe you pronounce it, Niskala outlet that will power on the bridge. And I Alexa activated it. So over here I have a Voco link, and that is Alexa operated. So when you tell Alexa to turn on, she'll turn the whole system on. So let's try it out. Alexa, turn sauna on. So there you go. And if you come in here, that is basically the Niskala thermostat. So right now it's 77 degrees in here, and I have a toggle rate of 131 degrees inside. And then just so we can kind of see, make sure. So heating elements are coming on, and they'll heat up as it goes. So you can see the temperature going up pretty quick, and you'll keep seeing that go up. Actually, I think they get it up to about a couple hundred degrees. And then there's 2 on the inside, and you're sitting down. Yeah, so on that side they're coming up pretty quick. But anyway, that is how I made a Alexa activated sauna. But anyway, let me know your thoughts, what you think, and if there's any questions you may have, feel free to ask. Or if you're in the tri-state area, I guess I can probably be more than happy to make a trip out and help wire everything for you so you can get it going. And there you go. I'll leave all the links below on all the stuff that I used on Amazon. Bye. Oh, real quick, this was the thermostat that I got for the sauna. But again, I'll leave that link at the bottom. Thanks. Alexa, turn sauna off.
Okay.
And that's everything shutting down. All right, there you go. Garage Mahal, Alexa activated sauna.